Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make purchasing decisions that even your wallet will thank you for. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning mops. We're putting the H2O MOP X5 against the Neugo Steam Mop in a battle of the steamers. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The H2O MOP X5 is priced at $169, which some reviewers feel is a bit high for the quality they received. Many noted that while it has good cleaning power, the construction left something to be desired. On the other hand, the Neugo Steam Mop is much more budget-friendly at $109. Reviewers appreciate this lower price point and often recommend it for its effectiveness and value. In the price ring, Neugo takes the lead. Now let's get steamy. The H2O MOP X5 boasts 1,300 watts of steam cleaning power, which users have said makes it effective for everyday cleaning, especially for older individuals. However, some reviews mention that it doesn't perform well on tougher surfaces like tile and grout. Meanwhile, the Neugo packs 1,200 watts and heats up to a sizzling 230 degrees Fahrenheit, with many reviewers praising it for its ability to remove stubborn stains and clean grout effectively. Both mops are chemical-free, which is a big plus for pet owners. Let's talk versatility. The H2O MOP X5 is like that friend who can do everything: clean floors, windows, and even your clothes. Reviewers love the variety of attachments for different cleaning tasks. In contrast, the Neugo is adjustable for all floor types and has a removable water tank, which many users found convenient. They appreciate how easy it is to switch between different cleaning tasks and surfaces. This makes Neugo more adaptable to various cleaning needs. Now, let's dive into design. The H2O MOP X5 comes with a bunch of accessories, but has received mixed reviews regarding its usability. Some users find it awkward and made of cheap plastic. However, the Neugo is noted for its ease of assembly and usability. Reviewers appreciate the adjustable height feature, which makes it easier to use without bending down too much. Overall, Neugo seems to have the edge in usability. And let's not forget the cord. The Neugo comes with an impressive 23-foot cord, which reviewers love for its flexibility and reach. In comparison, the H2O MOP X5 doesn't specify cord length, and many users have expressed dissatisfaction with its limited reach. The longer cord on the Neugo makes it much more convenient for larger spaces. In summary, the H2O MOP X5 is praised for its power and versatility, but many users have concerns about its build quality and overall effectiveness on tougher surfaces. The Neugo Steam Mop, on the other hand, is highly recommended for its affordability, ease of use, and exceptional cleaning performance, especially on various floor types. Overall, while both have their strengths, Neugo seems to be the favorite among users for its value and effectiveness. So in this steamy showdown, who takes the crown? If you're looking for versatility and a wallet-friendly price, the Neugo Steam Mop is your winner. But if you want a mop that can do it all, and don't mind spending a little extra cash, the H2O MOP X5 is still a solid choice. At the end of the day, it's all about what fits your cleaning style. So which mop will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more comparisons that'll help you buy smart. Until next time, keep it clean and steamy, folks. Bye!